Let's be honest, folks, there's something magical about the holiday season that brings out the best in all of us. Christmas markets are the best. They transform ordinary city squares into enchanting wonderlands. They're like a warm hug on a cold day, a place where friends and families come together to create lasting memories. They're full of twinkling lights, delicious smells, and enough Christmas cheer to make even the biggest Scrooge crack a smile. The air is filled with the scent of roasted chestnuts and spiced cider. From Vienna to Vancouver, these festive wonderlands pop up every December. Each market has its own unique charm and character, reflecting the local culture and traditions. And they're always a hit. People from all walks of life come together to celebrate the season. Why? Because they're brilliant, that's why. The joy and excitement are contagious. Where else can you sip hot mulled wine, shop for unique gifts, and listen to carol singers all in one place? It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. It's like stepping into a Hallmark movie but with better snacks. The food alone is worth the visit, from gingerbread cookies to savory sausages. Now, I've been lucky enough to experience my fair share of Christmas markets. Each one has left me with unforgettable memories. But there's one that always holds a special place in my heart. Dublin's Christmas Market. It's a blend of traditional and modern, offering something for everyone. It's got everything you could want in a festive celebration and more. So buckle up, buttercups. From the stunning decorations to the lively entertainment, it's a feast for the senses. Let's take a closer look at what makes Dublin's Christmas Market so special. From the handcrafted ornaments to the local delicacies, there's so much to explore and enjoy. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Dublin's Christmas Market is a must-see destination during the holiday season. Picture this. You're strolling through the heart of Dublin. The city is bustling with life, and there's an undeniable sense of excitement in the air. The air is crisp and cold, each breath visible as a small cloud in front of you. The streets are alive with Christmas shoppers, their faces lit up with joy and anticipation. And then, you see it. A dazzling display of lights, nestled amongst historic buildings and cobblestone streets. The entire scene looks like something out of a fairy tale. That, my friends, is Dublin's Christmas Market, a place where the magic of the season truly comes to life. As soon as you step foot into the market, you're enveloped in a magical atmosphere. The hustle and bustle of the city fades away, replaced by the warm glow of festive lights and the cheerful sounds of the season. The scent of roasted chestnuts and cinnamon fills the air, mingling with the sweet aroma of holiday treats from nearby stalls. Christmas carols play softly in the background, adding to the enchanting ambiance. Musicians strum their guitars and sing familiar tunes, bringing smiles to the faces of passers-by. And the twinkling lights seem to stretch on forever, casting a magical glow over everything they touch. It's as if the stars themselves have descended to join in the celebration. It's enough to melt even the iciest of hearts. The joy and warmth of the season are palpable, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Now let's talk about the important stuff, the food. Because let's be honest, no Christmas market experience is complete without indulging in some delicious treats. Dublin's Christmas Market is a foodie's paradise. It's a place where your taste buds can go on a festive adventure. You'll find everything from traditional Irish treats to international delights. Whether you're in the mood for something hearty or something sweet, there's something for everyone. Craving something savory? Grab a German sausage from a sizzling grill. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Fancy a sweet treat? Indulge in a warm crepe drizzled with Nutella. It's the perfect combination of warm, soft crepe and rich, creamy Nutella. And don't even get me started on the hot chocolate. It's like drinking a melted chocolate bar. Rich, creamy, and topped with a generous dollop of whipped cream, it's pure bliss in a cup. But the star of the show? The mulled wine, of course. This festive beverage is a must-try. This festive beverage is like a warm hug in a mug. It's made with red wine, spices, and a touch of sweetness, making it the perfect drink to enjoy while strolling through the market. It's the perfect way to warm up on a chilly evening. As you sip on this delightful drink, you'll feel the warmth spread through your body, making the cold winter night feel a little more magical. Plus, it makes you feel all merry and bright. What's not to love? The combination of delicious food, festive drinks, and the joyful atmosphere of Dublin's Christmas Market is truly something special. So come hungry and ready to indulge in the holiday spirit. Dublin's Christmas Market isn't just about eating and drinking though. There's plenty of entertainment to keep you entertained too. From live music to ice skating, there's something for everyone. Take a spin on the carousel, get your groove onto some traditional Irish music, or simply wander through the stalls and soak up the atmosphere. And if you're feeling brave, you could even try your hand at some Christmas karaoke. Just don't blame me if you end up on Santa's naughty list.